finally, we want to take a look at simplifying what we refer to as complex rational expressions, which is a rational expression that contains additional rational expressions. In example 14, we have 7 over x plus 8 over z. Those are two rational expressions being added together, but they're a part of this larger rational expression because we have that quantity divided by x. So we have essentially nested rational expressions within other rational expressions. And we want to look at how we can simplify this. There are different approaches, but one that I like is to take this expression that we have in the numerator and rewrite it as divided by that expression in the denominator. Because we've already used this trick a few different times, we can write any value over 1, and then we can change division to multiplication. By taking the reciprocal of that expression. So this would become times 1 over x. We typically write it in the opposite order. We'd have that factor out in front with the distributive property, but it works this way too. 1 over x will distribute through to both of those terms, leaving us with 7 over x squared plus 8 over zx. From there, we need to update each rational expression to get the common denominator, which in this case will be zx squared. We'll multiply the first term by z over z, and the second term by x over x to get 7z plus 8x all over zx squared. Example 15 will be similar. We'll take 8 over w minus 5 over x, and instead of dividing by w, we'll multiply by 1 over w to get 8 over w squared minus 5 over xw, and then update each rational expression. We'll multiply the first term by x over x, the second term by w over w, which will give us 8x minus 5w all over xw squared. In example 16, we'll use a similar approach, though we do have a different looking problem. We have a rational expression, 8 over y plus a constant of 2 divided by w squared. We can still turn that into multiplication by rewriting it as 1 over w squared, which will give us 8 over yw squared plus 2 over w squared. In this case, we only need to update the second term, the second rational expression, because when we multiply that by y over y, now our two rational expressions have a common denominator. So adding this together, we'll have 8 plus 2y over yw squared as our final answer.